Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. Let's start from where we left in our previous tutorial. Let's have a look at justify content options. Let's put another HR. Let's create our first div. And let's add justify content class name. Justify content start. Let me copy and paste 5 more times. I want to show other options too. Justify content and justify content center, justify content between, justify content around, and justify content evenly. Let's put some text in the div. And also I want to put some background color too. BG info, BG warning, BG secondary, BG danger, BG dark, BG success. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see all options, start, and let me make it bigger, start, and center, between, around, and evenly. Let me change the color of that one, text white. Save it and let's have a look at it. You see guys, we see the all example. They don't change their positions guys. You see, start and center. Let's make it wider and they are still at the same place. We can use responsiveness option for those things as well. Let's say we want to make that one and let's add our class name to make it and when we have medium size screen. Justify content md and let's save it and have a look at it. I am going to make it our browser wider to see the change. You see guys, start now end of our row because we reach medium size. Let's reduce size of our browser. You see guys, start is at the beginning of the row. So that one. Let's have a look at wrap options. Let me put a HR. Let me create a div flex. And I want to add one more class name, flex wrap. Let's add a couple of more flex items. BG info, flex item. Let me copy and paste. I put lots of flex items to show it the wrap option. You can add as much as you want. Let me change backgrounds. Let's save it and have a look at it. We see our flex item. Let's reduce size of our browser. You see guys, it is wrapping automatically. Let me copy and paste that one and have a look at no wrap option. Just need to add no. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, that is the difference. First one is wrapping. It is pushing flex element at downside when you reduce the size of your browser, but second one doesn't do that. You see guys, that is the difference. And lastly, I want to show order. Let me put another HR. Let's create a div. Let me create another div, bg info, first flex, item. Let me copy and paste 2 more times. That one is second and that one is third. I want to add another class name, order 3, order 2 and order 1. Let's add a wrap option too. Flex no wrap. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, third flex at the beginning of our row because we use order 1. Let's change color of background. Save it and have a look at it. So you can change orders like this too. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.